Learn multiple ways to change the data you see in Excel quickly. Open a spreadsheet. Enter data into desired cells. Create headings for your columns. Create a sequenced data series. Excel can learn patterns underlying your data and then fill in data based on that pattern. Excel can recognize many common patterns such as days of the week, consecutive numbers, and many others. To select a range of cells, several keyboard shortcuts can be used. Pressing Ctrl and the spacebar extends a selection throughout the column where the original cell is located. Pressing Shift and the arrow keys extends a selection throughout the column where the original cell is located. Pressing Ctrl plus Shift and the spacebar or Ctrl A to select entire column. Insert rows. Select the row that you'd like your new row to go above. Right-click and select Insert from the menu that appears. This function is also available from the Home tab by selecting Insert and then Insert Sheet Rows. Insert columns. Begin by clicking a column letter. Right-click and select Insert from the menu that appears. Insert, and then Insert Sheet Columns. Copy one or more cells. After selecting the cell, right-click and select Copy. Alternately press Ctrl-C. After selecting the cell in which you wish to paste your data, right-click and select Paste. Alternately, press Ctrl-V. Cut one or more cells. After selecting the cell, right-click and select Cut. Alternately press Ctrl-X. After selecting the cell in which you wish to paste your data, right-click and select Paste. Alternately, press Ctrl-V. Paste cell values instead of formulas. This will paste the contents of the copied or cut cell. Begin by selecting Paste from the Home tab and clicking Paste Special. Select values from the list of attributes to paste. Delete cell content. Simply select the cell in which you wish to delete text and press Del or right-click and select Delete. Move cells, rows, or columns. Highlight your chosen cells and activate the move pointer, appearing as 4 directional arrows. Drag to your preferred location. Use a formula. Click the cell in which you wish to enter the formula, and then begin by typing $. Now type a mathematical formula and click Enter. Excel will display the results. A right-click on a cell, select Format Cells. This will provide you with several options with respect to number, alignment, font, border, patterns, and protection. Wrap your text. This will cause text to wrap around and remain visible within a cell rather than trailing off and becoming obscured by the next cell. Under the Home tab, select the Wrap Text option. Align your text. A right-click on a cell, select Format Cells. Change the numeric style of data. Align your text. Change your text color. Change your background color.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.